The stationary ABCs is basically the times tables of your running mechanics. We want to get 10,000 reps in as quick as possible so you can become a decent runner. Firstly is the A. So in the A, we want to emphasize getting the knee up to about hip height, a little bit above, and as we drive down, we're going to drive through the ball of the foot, keeping the heels and the toes elevated. As you transition into the B, we still want to emphasize that A position to start, and then instead of driving down, you're going to kick out from the hip, letting the knee extend, feeling the quad contract, and slapping the ball of the foot down again directly underneath the hips. Lastly is the C. So here we're going to slide the heel directly up a wall, not kicking up dirt. We want to feel the hamstring contracting here. Knee's going to come slightly forward. And again, really emphasizing getting that heel up as high as possible. The last piece of the pie is the stationary turnover, which is arguably the most important part of the drill. This is going to really help emphasize your stride length in your running. So we want to drive the knee and the leg basically from the top of the C to the top of the A as rapidly and aggressively as possible. This is only a short range of motion movement. We want to get as many muscle groups involved in this and make it really powerful.